Hey guys, how you doing? A special welcome back to Cook and Share. I love chicken and I love Doritos, all the fixins that go with them, the talking. So I decided to make up this wonderful dish that the kids will love, everybody will love, chicken Doritos. Let me show you how to do this and let's get started. So I'm going to kick things off here with the mixtures. So to a large bowl, I'm going to add about 2 or 3 cups of rotisserie chicken from the night before that I've shredded up. And you can also boil boneless skinless chicken breasts and shred them up if you like. It's entirely up to you. A cup and a half of canned corn. And this is peaches and cream. Everybody loves peaches and cream. And I should mention the corn is drained, but you can use the corn of your choice too. And I'm going to add a cup of diced tomatoes. And this is the Rotel, and it's really good. It's a little on the hot side, but it is taco. This has that wonderful green chilies in there too. A cup of drained black beans. A cup of can of chicken cream soup, a cup of sour cream, and I'm using the 5%, but you can use the sour cream of your choice, a cup of cheese. Now I'm using garlic cheddar, but again, cheese of your choice is just fine. A tablespoon of taco seasoning, and you know what I'm going to say here, my all-time favorite, ground black pepper. I'm just a pepper lover. Take my handy dandy wooden spoon and just go ahead and mix this up. Okay, next up I'm going to take the star of our show, some cheese flavored burritos, and just kind of crush them into the bottom of my casserole dish. You don't want them too crushed up. Now you want it to look something like this. You don't want it too crushed like I said. Then I'm going to take my mixture and place it over the top. Now you don't want to spread it just yet because everything's going to mix up with the Doritos. So you just want to place it. Oh, this looks good. So you want it something like this, a little bit rustic. I didn't spread this too much. And we talked about budget meals. This is not exactly budget. You might have about 15 bucks into it. The most expensive thing is the chicken, but it's fun for the whole family. Now I'm going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, we're nicely done. So I'm going to grab up some more Doritos and crunch them over the top. Guys, this smells incredibly good. Another layer of that yummy cheese on the top. Oh, this is going to be good, and the kids are going to love it. Then back into the oven for another 7 minutes just so that cheese melts nicely. So guys, here we are back out of the herb garden, which needs a weeding. I'll do that today. And I'm going to pick some fresh parsley just to garnish the dish with. Then I'm going to come down here and grab a fresh chili. After about 7 minutes, the cheese is nice and bubbly, so I'm going to go ahead and garnish this up with the chilies we picked out of the garden. Then cilantro for some more greenage. Doesn't this look real pretty? And there you have it, guys, our super scrumptious delicious chicken Doritos. You're going to love this. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Gotta get some Doritos here. Guys, this is so good. Guarantee you, I keep saying this, everybody's gonna love it. Go ahead and make this, let me know in the comment section below. For this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. You can spend hours over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time, guys.